Maintenance of terrazzo. Terrazzo floors have ease of maintenance, but this does not mean that no care is required. Once you understand the care requirements in the early stages of a newly installed terrazzo floor, you lessen the possibility of future problems and recognize the economy of maintenance of this product. Following these instructions will get your new or existing floor to look its best and will help to realize the long-term benefits of the low maintenance cost of caring for a terrazzo floor. To help prevent stains and damage to terrazzo, spills should be cleaned up as quickly as possible. The following are minimum recommendations. However, please note that each situation will be different. Dust mopping. Dust, dirt, or other grit can lead to scratching of the finish, which reduces gloss and the ability to effectively clean the floor. Dust mopping should be done daily. Sprays may be added to the dust mop to facilitate the pickup of debris. Change dust mop head when dirty. Wet mopping. Wet mopping is used to remove surface dirt and liquid spills. Wet mopping should be done daily. Use a neutral cleaner and follow manufacturer's instructions. It is important to use clean water and to change the water when it becomes cloudy. Clean the mop often. Floor scrubber. The floor should be scrubbed at least once a week, but some situations may call for a daily scrub, such as areas where snow slush and de-icing agents are tracked onto the floor. Use the scrubber with the white pad. Machines may vary. Avoid frequent use of all diamond impregnated pads. The use of aggressive diamond pads is not recommended. Vacuum when you are done scrubbing. Spray buffing. In most situations, a monthly spray buff to minimize scuffing is adequate, but areas of high abrasion may require more attention. Areas with little traffic, such as seldom used lobbies, may need this procedure less often. This step is used to restore gloss lost due to traffic. Use products specifically designed for this purpose. Follow all directions from your NTMA supplier. Control joint expansion joint or isolation joint. Due to the concave shape of the joint or the hardness of the joint material, joints may require extra attention. Hand clean with a pad and a neutral cleaner recommended by the manufacturer of the joint material. Stripping. Many floors can be maintained without stripping and sealing for long periods of time. However, in high traffic areas, the stripping and resealing of the floor should be done every 6 months to a year. Make judgments based on the amount of traffic and the aesthetics of the floor. Strip floors per manufacturer's recommendation. Caution: the use of aggressive black pads may unintentionally sand or grind the floor. Use only products designed to strip floors. All old sealers must be completely removed. However, not all sealers are strippable. Check with your sealer supplier. All residue must be completely removed. Sealer application. Apply sealers recommended only for terrazzo. Follow the instructions of your NTMA sealer supplier explicitly. Be sure the floor is clean before applying sealer. Most sealers are best applied with a microfiber pad. Thin coats are better than one heavy coat. Allow a coat of sealer to dry before placing another. Gloss is the result of both polish and sealer. Do not expect the sealer to provide all of the gloss. stain removal by hand, treads, risers, and cove base. Some areas will not be easily maintained with power equipment, but these areas must be maintained as often as the field of the floor. These areas should be maintained by hand. Use maintenance products designed specifically for Terrazzo. Follow the instructions of all of your NTMA product suppliers explicitly. Do not make judgments based on recommendations to buy a product without consulting an NTMA supplier or contractor member. Call your local NTMA Terrazzo contractor if the floor needs to be grouted. Qualified suppliers can be found at www.ntma.com.